mga biscuit.
Good morning guys. Time check is 3:50. So
Destination.
kagagaling na namin sa Baptist Theological Seminary. And our first destination this morning is Atok Benguet sa Northern Blossom. And our personal driver is Glenmar. Alright. So this is our first time to visit Atok Benguet. So let's see anong ating makikita doon sa area na yon. So time check. Adaan natin mamaya Matarik, Makitid, but very exciting. So nag-drop muna kami guys here in 7-Eleven La Trinidad Benguet para meron kaming water at mga kanin na kakainin while traveling going to Atok Benguet. Alright, so it's too early in the morning. Hindi pa masyado traffic here in La Trinidad. Alright guys, first drop. Tatlo pa lang yung tatlo agad ang nagsuka. Anyway, that's part of the journey guys.
Gutom ko kasi doon mga ibon.
Ano man?
Tinawag kami. Tinawag sila ni Lord gutom na ibon. Para ilabas nila. Ito, oo.
Pwede yan, na-open naman yung ano dyan.
Okay, so tingnan mo yung mga bundok mo ito guys. Mga bato-bato, tapos sa taas may mga kunting puno.
Parang ano man doon.
Oh, tapos gusto mo pang pumunta po.
Oh, landslide.
Under construction.
Ah, under construction. Ano ko landslide? Dito na tayo sa Northern Blossom, Sangtayan, Paway, Atok. Alright. Nag-aulo ambon, pero mawala yan mamaya. Northern Blossom. Here we are.
I think fisherer.
Alright.
Kailangan sa alap nila lang.
So dito na kami sa Northern Blossom guys. Kasama ng aking team. Okay. So tingnan na lang mga So pagdating dito guys, kailangan natin magpalista. Okay, for our environmental fee.
Wala pa yung
50 pesos per pax.
Ayun, sampo.
Alright. Ito. No vaping. Okay. So, dun guys ang kanilang entrance fee, registration area. And as of now, nagulo ang buwan pero hindi ito mag-ulan. Kasi nag-pray kami na wag mag-ulan. Okay. Alright guys, dito na kami sa, punta na kami sa loob. And mga instruction muna.
Exit po sa kabila. Yung exit natin sa tabi po ng registration. Pag-exit nyo, gamitin nyo po yung mga tickets nyo. May dalawang side po yan, yung entrance tab, may number po. Yung entrance tab, bigyan nyo kay Ma'am Cora para
Instruction muna.
makapasok po kayo.
Guys,
Yung complimentary stop, gamitin nyo po yan sa exit. Sa exit po, may dadaanan kayong coffee area. Yung exit natin, katabi lang po ng registration. Doon din kayo lalabas mamaya. Sa exit, yung may coffee area tayo doon. Yung isang side, yung complimentary stop, yan po yung gamitin nyo para makuha nyo yung libreng tinapay at saka unlimited na coffee. Sa loob ng farm din natin, may resting area, comfort room, saka tindahan din po ng tubig. Reminders lang, bawal lang tayo mamitas. Pwede nyo hawakan po, pwede nyo amuin. Yun lang po and thank you. Enjoy po kayo sa loob. Sige po kay Ma'am.
okay. Good morning.
Good morning din, sir. Kunin ko tong entrance
Yeah.
tab, yung natira para sa kape at tinapay after
Okay,
the tour.
thank you. Alright, bye guys. So ito na yung mga flower here. Okay. Mga kasama namin. So ito yung mga flower doon. Dito pala. Not doon.
Wala tubang din. Gano siya.
Wala ma-adjust sa sige lang dito.
Pag nabot sa may init, kala ilang color yung
Ang ano ha?
Tawag nito guys is Delphinium. The word Delphis, which means dolphin. Wow.
Di na, sabi mo. Kung siya mo mapapicture ka diri yung namin. Picture pa da sa store.
Ganda guys.
Siya bala kayo, ano?
Damang maganit. Hindi. Ikaw di pick.
Okay guys, ito isa sa mga flower here in Northern Blossom. Hindi ko alam anong pangalan nito, but it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. Wow. Cabbage yata ito. It's a cabbage roses. Mukha siyang cabbage kasi cabbage nga siya. Tapos ito violet. Okay.
Saan? Dito? Ayun sa gitna.
Ay, nakababa ka.
Next group of flowers is statice. Okay. Tawag dito paper flower, used as dried flowers. Ito mga rose naman. Wow. Malamig. Here you can really appreciate the nature, how God created this world. Slowly. Okay guys, another set of flower is called Kalya Lily. Symbolize purity, youth, and rebirth. Alright. So ayan siya. Ang ganda. Alright. So Kalya Lily. Okay guys, it's another set of flowers here in Northern Blossom. It is called sunflower. It is because itsura niya ay araw na araw. Wow, ang ganda. Kala mo plastic eh. Wow. Ito siya guys, mga tuyo-tuyo na konti. Yan, mga giant sunflower. All right. So Carindola, the next set of flower is Carindola. Okay. Cabbage flower.
Ayos ang hair. Bebe. Pakita Diaz. Tira retrace. Rest the bando.
From these cabbage roses, let's go down here. Wow. Tapos may mga kalya-lili din dito, guys. Wow, ang ganda niya. Wow, masarap ito. Gawing ginatan. Picturean mo ako? Snapdragon. Alright. Yan guys. Marami pang flower dyan sa baba. One of the reason bakit maganda ang pag-bloom ng mga flower here in Northern Blossom, it is because malamig siya. Ayan. Alright. Cabbage roses. One thing that I discover here is one of the rare variety of this flower. It is called Piconia, according to my wife. So, watch your steps before you step. Ayan, matarik. Ayan, it's another variety here. So if you see this one, it's white. So this one is red. Okay, it's really beautiful. Okay. All right. Let's go downstairs. Salamat Lord. Walang-walaan.
Pa-exit na yan, Tanji.
Picture po. Basta picturean ko po kayo. Diyan na lang po.
So another set of flower.
Pang, pa-picture na po. Pang.
Alright guys. Dito may malaking bato kung saan kami nagpo-pose. Okay. Tingnan natin. Wow. Matarik siya. Nakakalula. But the beauty is majestic. Ayan. That's our pine tree. So, akyat na tayo. Watch your steps again. Okay. Ganda ng mga flower. Ayan.
Minipis yung ano, yung hangin. Kaya na, nagtayo lang kami dyan, oh. Hiningan na kami. Wala pa kami naglalakad. So, picture lang ako. Hiningan ako.
And guys, yung mga kasama namin picture.
Picture lang kita dyan, Pastor. Ang ganda.
Wow.
Ang cute naman yung picture ko. Maganda exercise to.
Kaya kami na unang natin hindi na bumaba kami doon.
Tawag dyan, Hydrangea Commune, million flowers. Napagod na yung kasama ko. So guys, i-exit na tayo here at Northern Blossom. Alright. Dito na yung coffee area. Okay, mayroong comfort room dyan. It's the coffee area. Coffee at the exit area. So, another set of flower here in Northern Blossom. Atok Benguet is everlasting, also known as straw flower. Ang ganda niya. Alright. Okay. Another set of flowers here in Northern Blossom is foxglove. Okay, foxglove. Alright, meron siyang white.
Excuse daw noise. Hindi guys, signal. Okay. Pa-7 pa lang. Ay, ang ganda dito.
See that road, guys? Doon kami galing sa baba. So this is called Northern Blossom. Flower. May mga tao that they don't appreciate flowers. Totoo nga that beauty depends upon the eye of the beholder. Alright? Another set of flowers. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan nito, guys. Alright guys, another set of flowers. Para siyang raindrops or snowflakes na sinasabi nila. Kakaiba din siya. Nabubuhay lang po ito sa mga malalamig na lugar. Like Atok, Benguet. Okay. Then, meron naman dito ang ganda ng flower. Alright. Alright. Ganda. Tapos ito naman siya, yellow. Oh, God is amazing, God. Here another set of flowers. Another guys, another set of flowers. So after sa sarap na pakiramdam sa pag-ikot dito sa Northern Blossom, to see all the flowers na napakaganda, bago maglabas merong free coffee. Okay, free coffee. Okay, to those who wants mag-restroom. Okay. So this is the free coffee area. So this is complimentary bread. Then meron din sila choco oat bar. Okay. But it's not for free. Very surprised. We have also noodles here, chichirya, drinks. Alright. May mga souvenir din sila dito guys. Okay. Claim na natin yung ating free coffee here. Excuse me. Good morning.
Good morning po. Sa inyo na po ito, sir.
Thank you. So, let's try the coffee. Actually guys, hindi ako nag-coffee. And one coffee and
Unlimited yung coffee natin, sir. Pag magre-refill, same cup na lang.
okay. Thank you very
After
much.
coffee, sir, clean na si po. Nasa labas po yung basura.
Sure, sure. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So, ito na yung aking coffee. And nahulog yung aking complimentary. Yeah. Okay. So, this is my complimentary coffee. 200 pesos. 250 plus 50 pesos na environmental fee. That's 300 pesos all in all. Alright. So, thank you guys. Nantay ko po yung mga kasama ko to come up at this area to take also their coffee break.
Wala si Ma'am Maria, wala sa
Kanina, ano po yun? Okay po yung bigyan ng tip.
kaya ang tagal na
Sa
kasi.
bato po.
Hindi, iba pa. Meron pag isang tanggal, dami. Sabi ko ano to, nag-opening na ako.
So, this exact area guys. Ayan yung cactus dito. Here you can buy some souvenirs. Sugar beets. Sugar beets people. So, Northern Blossom Flower Farm, thank you for coming. Alright. So, dito na tayo. Nakalabas na kami sa Northern Blossom Farm.